Hello folks, me here again, the old bean. How's your day been? Mine's been fine. Right, cracking on straight away, no messing about today. None whatsoever. Right, I'm going to make a fridge magnet. Whether you like this or not, I don't know. I can't guarantee it. But let's make it and let's see where we go with it, okay? I just want to adjust my iPad a bit so you can see. Right, first of all, we put the magnet right in the middle. Just like that. We obviously have to give it a minute to set. Well, not a minute anyway, but you know what I mean. It's got to have a few seconds to set. And then we can crack on. Meanwhile, I'll have a mouthful of coffee. Excuse me. Lovely that. My nephew made me that one. Right. So, anyway, cracking on. Moving on straight away. I've got a leaf. I've got a red flower. I've got a blue flower. I have a yellow flower. And a bit of, I don't know what the hell you call that. A bit of something anyway. I don't know what it is. It's just something for decoration. You know what I mean. You've seen these things before. You're people of the world. Well, I think you are anyway. Anyway, right. A bit of the old sticky bob down here. Now, I've made two others today already. But the first one I made, old daft me forgot to set the video going, and the second one, my iPad ran out of storage, so I'm having to make a third one today. I'll show you them in a minute. I just want to I'm just going to put a stone on here to hold them all down. Like so. How's about that? You can't quite see that, can you? I need to push that back a bit. There we go. Look at that. How lovely. Right, moving on again. I've got a little egg. I'm going to put the little egg. Where's my glue stick gone? I tell you, see my memory. Fell off. Right, little egg is going there. Little chicken having some glue on his butt, whether he likes it or not, and he's going next to the egg as if he's just come out of one. Right, I've got a nice little daisy that's going to sit just on this side, like so, and I'm burning myself again. I don't know. Right, Daisy sat there. I've got a couple of little pom-poms. I'm just going to blob these on in the corner just to fill up. There we are. Right. How's that? 4 minutes. I'll just stick this to the wall, to my freezer, and I will show you what they look like. These are the ones I've made today. There's the one I've just made, sat on the top. I made both of these earlier, so now I've got 3 today. Aren't they nice? You want any, just let me know. They don't have to be like that. You can ask me for something else and I'll make you something different. Okie dokie. Right, okay, take care. Bye for now and peace out.